Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Get Smart. We are helping you to master your technology. This video is about how to download or save WhatsApp status to your Android phone gallery without any app. So let's get started. There are many new features rolling out to WhatsApp users every now and then. One such feature is the WhatsApp status feature, which is taken from Snapchat's Stories feature, and WhatsApp decided to roll out the feature to all the users, which is a massive 1 billion or more users across the globe. WhatsApp has decided to replace the old status feature with the WhatsApp status or WhatsApp Stories feature. It is much similar to the Snapchat Stories, and contacts can view the shared images, GIFs, or videos for a period of 24 hours before it gets deleted automatically. WhatsApp did not give the option to save the images, GIFs, or videos shared in status updates directly to phone gallery. Use Files or Media Directory to save WhatsApp status photos on your Android device. This method does not require any application, but you will need to access the File Manager on your Android device, which I will be explaining how in this video. Note, the Statuses folder is usually hidden, and can be seen only when you turn on the Show Hidden Files, which is available in certain file managers. In every Android device you will be having a Files or File Manager app, a file shape icon. Open the File Manager and click on 3 dots in upper right corner of your phone screen. And from the settings, turn on Show Hidden Files option. Go to WhatsApp folder, which can directly be accessed, and in some devices, it can be found under phone storage. Open the WhatsApp folder and now tap on Media. In most Android devices you can find a folder with the name .statuses, which will store the status updates, which you have seen. You can open the status update which you want to save and save the file on your media directory to view later or share it with your friends. There is no direct option given in the app which lets you save media, but you can do it manually. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.